We are in art class right now, and Sunshine is here today, and she has just done a first painting in her series that she's calling it Blue Lady. Is that right?
I blew something. I'm calling this Red Lady.
Red, okay, Red Lady.
Lady Red.
Lady Red. Sorry about that. And so, what she is doing right now, she has begun by putting her darkest darks in on this flower that you see here. And so that way she can move outward from that dark, knowing with some confidence that her reds are the right value. And you know that value is the amount of white added into a color. So then if we look at this, she is also doing the same thing up here. So she is just off to a great start, and she loves grass cloth, so you can tell that she has created that feel in the back. And her palette over here shows us lots and lots of reds. She is working in oil, so we'll just come and look at her different her paints. So she's using a lot of different brands, which is a favorite thing that we all like to do. And she has her inspiration here on her phone, and she has put it on the lock mode so that it doesn't keep disappearing on her. And so she's doing a great job here. Let's take one more look before we leave Miss Sunshine. Very nice. See you soon.